Welcome to Trading Mastery Institute. Whatever that is being shared is of our opinion and not an advice for you to enter the market. Okay, guys. So today I'm going to share with you guys uh, tricks on how to have a better winning probability in your trading easily. Okay, so first of all, okay, there is occasionally we will send out the trading setup for education purposes. So like for today, okay, we have over here is a goal to look for a long, okay, to look for a long. So what I do is I will then confirm on the trading chart. So how do I confirm? Okay, let's go to the chart. Okay, we are now at the chart itself. Okay, so at the chart, now this is at H4. So I'm going to give you guys some tricks on to have a bias on direction. So what I want you all to do is to go and insert this line, okay? Okay, so this line will represent, okay, you can right click, go under properties and then show period separator over here. Okay, so put okay, then they will appear this line. So if you open at H4 time frame, so this will show you the weekly movement. Okay, weekly movement. So how do we want to know the weekly bias? Okay, so you can first click on the Tenkan over here. Okay, then you will see this blue line. Okay, this blue line. So at H4 itself, so whenever the candlestick is below this blue line, then I say that it is bearish. When it is above, then I want to look for a long. So if we can have one candlestick that show us that it is on that particular direction, then we can have like, nearly 200 pips. Okay, like for this instant, okay, if you is above the line, you want to do for a long, but you look at this low getting lower. So you know that this is potentially a retracement, but still you can, get about 50 over pips. Okay, so it gives a bias of direction. So this Tenkan line is much aggressive. So if you are a bit conservative, you want a longer perspective, then you use the Kijun-sen line. So whenever it is above, okay, above, then this week you are looking to long. Okay, when it is below, then this week we are looking to short. So this one, okay, is a sideways market. Okay, this is where the news, okay, of the Jackson Hole. So over here you see that it's going down, so we are bearish. So once it goes up above this line, then we say that, oh, we have to be careful. Potentially it want to goes up and it goes to the support. Then there is two support rejection over here, and there's an entry over here. So I think during the Jackson Hole, some of our members managed to secure some over 300 over pips. Okay, but I did not trade it because I'm not feeling well. Okay, and over here you can see this week, okay, is above, so we are bullish for this particular week. Okay, so this is on the weekly direction. It gives you the bias. Okay, and you can combine with the Novak flow and trend to give you even better conviction. Okay, better conviction on the momentum of the direction, the bias itself. Okay, and if we look at the time frame of H1, okay, H1 we want to see the daily movement, daily. Okay, so just now I share with you guys that uh, the trading signal, okay, for the trading central is telling us that it is biased on bullish. So what I do is I just look at today's, okay. So at H1 it will show us the 24 hours movement, 24 hours bias, whether it's bullish or bearish. Okay, so over here it's been above the line, so we are bullish. So it's tally with the signal that has been given. So what I will do is I will look for a buy setup according to our strategy, or you can use your own methodology on entry. So for us, it is you can enter at H1 itself. Okay, there is an arrow at a support. Okay, we only want to buy when there is an arrow at a support for those who trade using the support and resistance system. Okay, so it went up. Okay, so to have a better entry, so you can enter at M5. Okay, so M5, I think I have taught some of you guys on how to have a view of H1 or M30 at M5. Okay, you can watch on the earlier video on how to actually trade based on M30 and M5. Okay, so for this I just recap again. So this is showing M5. Okay, so we want to show H1 at M1, okay, the indicator itself. So what I will do is over here, okay, I just go to indicator. So I will go to the EB cloud, and over here, time frame current, okay, you can change to H1. Okay, H1, and then you can change the color to make it thicker. Okay, and then we just put it okay. Then we close. So as you can see, this line is actually represent by the H1 over here. So just by one look, it's telling you that okay, we are bullish. Okay, so whenever there is the arrow and a support over here, you can look for a buy. Okay, whenever it hits the H1 over here, support, the Kijun-sen line, and our floor and ceiling indicator over here, it hits arrow above the line with all blue with more conviction. Okay, you can enter a long with the take profit over here. Okay, so as you can see over here, we are able to profit about 50 to 100 pips from this simple setup. So we combine the signal that is being given by Trading Central, and also to confirm the direction above the Kijun-sen, you can look for a long. You can use our indicator to enter, or you can use your own strategy to enter. Okay, so I hope this short video help you guys on looking for direction and the potential entry setup. Okay, I wish you guys all the best, and take care. Goodbye.